What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be continue working on the Mustang, even though it looks like it's finished, but the interior is all apart. So what I did off the camera is I took everything out. Mostly that carpet was from the other car. Took it out, washed it because it was a better, cleaner version or option that I had. The seats is out and everything else in the back is out as well. So in today's video I'm going to try to put everything in and assemble the front end along with a module and all the connections and this airbag. I did get my module back from I think it's L&D, and also a seat belt. So, and then this seat is from that car because that car had the driver's seat that didn't have the airbag deployed. And there is the quarter panel that we fixed. Oh yeah, and I also do have to install the rest of the spoiler, and I do also have to put a 3M tape here. And another thing is an AC clutch. So this thing needs to be installed because it's missing. I'm hoping that should be a good fix for this car because I tried spinning the compressor. I'm not gonna know if you're gonna see that, but it seems like it spins. There's a Freon in there, so I'm hoping just that thing is gonna fix the AC itself. Here is the front end. I'll give a nice brief walk around afterwards because I know it's a little bit darker in here with the sun going on here. Let's see the donor car. Look at this, man. Mangled mess. Look at that. No way anybody can fix that, so don't feel bad for that car. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I also do have wheels in the way with a little bit purple lug nuts just to break off the black because I do not like the black wheels. But the front end, come on, this thing just looks so freaking nice. Everything else is good and clean. Here is the limited edition 91 out of 150. So yeah, let's start with the interior parts because there's so many that I gotta install along with the airbag module and all that stuff, because I do want to finish this. And also the trunk is kind of all apart as well, but I can't put that in unless I put the spoiler first. So yeah, let's start with the module and all this stuff here. I do want to show you, it is 93 and today is going to be really hot, like 110. So it's nice and like sauna in here. But yeah, let's continue working on the car. Alright, quick progress update. The seats are in, the seat belts are in, the back seats and everything else in the back, I'm not sure how much you're gonna be able to see. It's all in, it's all buttoned up. So next thing is I do have to put the door seals on, but I do not have 3M tape, so I gotta buy some 3M tape before I put that on. And there's a few things that are missing here, a few plastics and this, but the main thing is the airbags. All the airbags are in, the seat belt airbags are connected, the seat belt is rebuilt and it's connected. So next thing is, I do hate airbags. I'm gonna connect the terminal and I'm gonna turn the key to see if the airbag light is off or if this thing will blow. So let's give it a try. Okay, it's a good sign. So next is, taking off my shoes because I didn't clean this, is I want to turn the key on. I'm gonna move out of the way. All right, nice. The airbag is off. All right, these things are on because I did disconnect this thing on before, so it will go off once I reset the computer. Cool. Pretty happy with the progress. Alright, here goes nothing. Brand new panel. Painted, freshly painted, but you know, let's put a hole in it. Center, probably. Before I drill all their holes, I'm gonna make sure this is actually where it's supposed to be. Ooh. Dude, right on the money. Alright. Damage is done. I know probably none of you would do this, but let's see if it fits. Alright, here she is. I didn't bolt all the screws because I need to get a foam gasket, but also this one is still loose. I have to adjust it up. I need screws and I need foam gasket, but it's all lined up. And I love the way it looks. I also need to get a 3M tape here because this is up, so I gotta buy 3M and gasket. But it looks really good. Alright, the car is put back together. Only thing I have to do is 2 rails on the roof, and everything else on the car is 100% done, minus one thing. So I'm gonna have to show you the car here and drive it because I can't drive it. And the reason is the axle is bent. So I do have a new axle that I gotta change because the wheel is just going wobble, wobble, wobble. And I do need to change the rear seal and transmission. But here is the car. Absolutely gorgeous, as you can see it. Blackened out the horse. I guess you can call it a black horse or dark horse. Tinted the side things. I have to put a badge on the other side, that's one thing. And here is the rail that I have to just snap back in. The car is 100% clean. I'm gonna re-clean it again just because the car has been filthy and somebody smoked in it, but it doesn't smell like a smoked car. Smells like a brand new leather car because I did clean the carpets and everything else. I also have to get this new gauge. That's 200 bucks because that one, the LEDs on it are messed up a little bit. But yeah, she is nice, clean. I know it's kind of hard to see the black car on the sun, but absolutely beautiful. And the new spoiler looks pretty good too. She is dirty. I haven't washed her since I painted her. But I know in one of the videos looked like the carpet was dirty, but it's not. It's just the shadow because it's been pre-washed. And the back too, it's nice and clean. It's literally like a brand new car. She is filthy though. Still have to order the wheels. I know which one I want. Ashanti, whatever they are. Ashanti. I'll show you in a little bit. She's filthy because of the sprays. It's supposed to show instant horsepower, but the LEDs are kind of off on it. Oil change, I gotta change the oil as well. Alright, like I always say, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos. The next one is gonna be axle, a rear main seal, and a few more other things. And also have to install the AC clutch because it doesn't have AC because the clutch is busted on it. But I did order just the clutch, so we're gonna see if we can fix it.